Okay, next. Rachel.
And head and neck rotation. So ready. Turn your head to your right. So gikan sa left, sir. What is the right?
Okay.
Ayun.
Look down behind your right shoulder.
So ano?
Now open your right hand down and away as you close your left up and across your eye. And close the right, open the left.
Exchange.
Now turn your head and upper body clear. And push your left hand down and away as you pull the right up and across.
So much. Extend, flex. Flex. Flex ni kan, flex ni. Extend lagi. Pwede na flex extend.
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 Flex jud.
Across.
Oh, wait, wait. Ano tayo?
Extend, extend.
Anak, no. Wala na, anak. Starting. Okay, go next.
Open your left hand, thumb toward your face, and lift your head and hands up toward the left. Look at your hand. Now close your left hand, look down and across as you pull your left hand down towards your right knee.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Perform din yung ano guys. When the patient or your client performs this, you should be looking at the arms when it moves towards this direction. So may 3 parts in yung motor learning.
Visual, auditory, tactile.
Visual,
You should
tactile, and
see or you should monitor that the patient is optically tracking the movement so as to educate his or her brain on the said motion. Okay?
So another. Another.
Very good. Okay. Next.
Close your right hand across your face and open your left hand up and out, thumbs back.
Left.
Now your left, grasp the right with wrist. Open your right hand, thumb down and out. Look down and across as you push your right hand down and up.
Look at your hands. Look at your hands.
Look down and across your right hip as you let your arms hang.
fit jud.
Third one. Okay. Look at your hand. Close.
Upper extremity unilateral patterns, figure 1.5. D1 flexion, D1 extension, elbow straight. Head and neck, D flexion and D extension left.
Look at your hand. Close and turn your right hand towards your face. Pull up and across. Now open your hand.
Right. Inhale. Wala.
Anak pa, fist.
So makanag ako kasi sir.
Wala gina, visual. Kasi itong visual component, you need to track the motion. So nagtanaw ka now from this position, this one here, and this one here. See how my face and my eyeball is looking on. Here. Nakuha? Nakuha ninyo?
Follow jud.
Follow. That's the reason that there is an optical pursuit that should be performed.
Yay. Wala.
Next.